How often do we truly comprehend what our eyes perceive? Vision, an essential part of our everyday lives, is a complex process involving more than just seeing clearly. It's about understanding what we see. This understanding becomes even more fascinating when we delve into the world of eye test illusions. These illusions, tailored for different age groups, not only test our visual acuity, but also offer a peek into the intricate workings of our visual perception. Starting with children, their visual development is a journey of discovery. Common eye test illusions for kids, like hidden pictures or magic eye illusions, are more than fun games. They play a significant role in stimulating visual development and early detection of issues. These illusions can be fascinating tools for pediatric eye care, making eye tests engaging for our little ones. Moving on to teenagers, adolescence brings its own set of challenges to visual perception. With increased screen time, digital eye strain has become a common issue. Eye test illusions for teens often revolve around motion or color illusions, subtly hinting at the effects of digital overexposure. But worry not, maintaining healthy eyes during adolescence is achievable with appropriate breaks and screen habits. As adults, vision challenges may include presbyopia and age-related eye diseases. Eye test illusions experienced by adults often highlight these issues. Regular eye exams become crucial at this stage for early detection and prevention. And in this digital age, strategies to reduce eye strain become an essential part of adult eye care. In the golden years, seniors experience age-related vision changes that impact visual perception. Eye test illusions commonly experienced by seniors can often be traced back to cataracts, glaucoma, or macular degeneration. Vision care for seniors focuses on coping strategies and treatments to continue enjoying a visually rich life. But what's the science behind these eye test illusions? Simply put, our eyes and brains work together to process visual information. Optical illusions play a crucial role in understanding this human visual system. They range from geometrical to motion to color illusions, each working in its unique way, tricking our eyes and brains. The study of optical illusions has a long history and holds significant value in psychology. And it's not all serious. Eye test illusions find their place in everyday applications and fun activities too. From interactive illusions that entertain and educate to their use in art and design, these illusions add an element of intrigue to our lives. In conclusion, understanding eye test illusions across different age groups helps in appreciating the importance of vision in our lives. Regular eye exams and awareness of these illusions can contribute to healthier eyes. So why not share this fascinating world of visual perception with people of all ages? After all, a clearer vision leads to a clearer understanding of the world around us. For those intrigued by this topic, a wealth of reliable sources and additional resources await your exploration. Dive deeper into the world of visual perception and eye test illusions, and you'll never look at things the same way again.